Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla there again once more with more videos to present to you my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Alright my people, so in this video, I have videos to present to you that are being talked about on social media, and the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when a motorist who was driving a motor vehicle had been stopped or pulled over by the police within the country of Jamaica. The motor vehicle also had been searched by the police. And I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation shown in the video. You can also tell me who you think was wrong when it comes down to the situation shown in the video that I'm about to present to you. Is it the police or the female who you can hear talking in this video, viewers and subscribers? Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe my people.
Don't talk to me, sir. Don't talk to me like that. I'm an house me I come from, I right up there from me live. Do not speak to me like that, sir. You never say the red market is a problem on a red car. So why is it that you're pulling me over like this and talking to me like this? You don't understand what is the problem?
Just, I think I see that video here already.
Don't talk to me, sir. Talk to me, sir.
Look what I'm doing.
Listen, talk to me, sir.
I think I see that video already.
Don't talk to me like that.
You need to pay attention to what you're doing. I'm not going to help you now. I'm not going to help you.
You know you're in trouble around, so that's what we live on here. I come from a very bad spot. No, I'm not just coming on the phone, you know. So
I think I see that video already.
You don't have a problem with that. You must show that.
I think I see this video here already.
That's what it is. Don't start the list. Don't fight for yourself.
And you criminalize everybody. You see a red car, never see a red market. Why is it that you know point one at me, and traumatize me, and oppress me, and I talk to me like so you feel like so you're criminal. It's not a criminal, and talk to me, sir. Talk to me, someone. No, it's my job to record you because you know, deal with me like say me have something in my car or say on my car shoot up people over stuff. So me have a right to record you know. What the gun there? What the gun there in the car? What in the car? What in the car? No, come look. What in the car?
Let me see something else. Well, I think I see that video already, you know, my people. Yeah, man, for real, man. I think I see this video already, but me just can't quite remember how and when. You see me? So because sometimes you have some video where just you know, some video where post long time just.
Yeah, look for the police. What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem?
Whoa.
Yes, I will not talk to me, Safa. Will you talk to me, Safa? Will you talk to me like some is a criminal style? Whatever some mistake we have to conduct ourselves. Will not deal with me, Safa, because me drive a red market. And that's why I deal with me, sir. And me yard where come from. Me yard where come from. And me say that one, man. I do not know how to deal with people. I got myself. Me know the rights. Now tell me not at all.
Get upset. Whoa.
My craft is. Who the fuck look for the car? Blood clot look for them.
Hello. This is from moving that way.
Yeah, the man, I bet you the
We don't have a problem, but why not talk to me like this? Why not talk to me like this?
You're target.
Talk me to
Proceed to the police guard.
I'm finding my paper.
Come on, man. Let her go with that, man. Like, come on, man. Foolish is that, man. Just lower her with that. Yeah, she shouldn't cause the bad word if a certain situation, I may understand. But just lower her with that, man.
What did I do? What did I do?
I need to proceed to the Targan police station when you're charged of indecent language. Alright? Here you
My people are real. I only hope so that the police them just forget about the bad word that she said. Yes, I say, yeah, I agree. So when it comes down to certain situation, you know, each and every one have a right to deal with a certain situation the right and proper way. Yes, I mean, certain words can be considered to be inappropriate when it comes down to certain situation. I understand that, but I only hope that the police them leave her and just forget about that. But you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to tell me what you think about the situation shown in the video. You can tell me who you think was wrong, and if you know when that video had been first posted on social media or so forth, tell me, viewers and subscribers, because I think I've seen that video before, you know. You understand? But for some reason, the video is being talked about on social media. So let me know what you think about that video. Alright? Anyways, my people, I'm going to move on to another video and a topic. Now, there's a video posted on social media that shows two men who had been accused of vandalizing a church that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know exactly when that video had been recorded, and I didn't get any confirmed information as to when the church allegedly had been vandalized by those two men. There's also a surveillance video footage that had been posted on social media claiming to show both men at the location where the church is at that had been allegedly vandalized. The surveillance video footage shows a date. However, I cannot confirm if that date is accurate. You see? And I also got information that both men had been apprehended and somehow placed into police custody. You see? Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly how those two men had been apprehended, and I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly how they had been put or placed into police custody. You understand? See? But for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present the video to you that shows both men who had been accused of vandalizing a church. You understand? Now, the video that I'm about to present to you shows when both men were being questioned by at least one person, and they were on their knees while they were somewhat restrained. You see? Allegedly, it is said that both men was in handcuffs, in the viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, the video clearly shows at least one of those men in handcuffs. You understand? And I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. You can also tell me what you think about the whole situation as well. But before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Observe with my people. Observe.
Sir, I require your name. Anthony. Anthony, what is the name? Fragwell? Can you give me your address? 13 what, sir? 13? What name? Where? Where are letters? Sir, excuse me, sir. Can you give me your name, please? Who? Ali? Ali. A-L-I?
Yes,
What's the surname, sir? Ali who? What's your surname? What's your address? What's your passport name, sir?
I said my name is Ali Belamakuya. I have no last name, Belamaku.
Hey, my people, I'm not gonna lie. I look on that video there, I'm not be disrespectful of your subscribers, but I wonder if everything is here when it comes down to them two persons there. You see me I say? Because I also see another video, you know, that claims to show when those two men was around the fire and they were somewhat chanting or doing certain things. You understand me, people? And you know, that video they really and truly is being questioned on social media. Even me myself question the video because I wonder, you know, why these persons are act those ways. You see me I say, viewers and subscribers, and you see this is the thing, you know, you see. This is the thing when it comes down to some persons and religions and all them things. As I say, it's like some persons take religions on a different level. You understand me? To a point where them start to act some ways where I think it's like violent in my point of view. But in their belief, them think it is necessary. When I don't think violence is necessary, no way, no time, no how. Me not think so. You see me I say? Yeah man, so me I wonder, you know, I also got the understanding from some comments on social media that there are quite a number of persons who say some things that give me the understanding that they're somewhat talking about those persons' mental health. You understand? You see? Oh, and to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information if those two persons had been charged by the police within the country that's known as Trinidad and Tobago. See, I'm not saying that the police didn't charge them, but me didn't get any confirmed information about that. You understand? Yeah, but you can always check the comment section of this video. I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if I get any information about the situation. And you have viewers and subscribers who will also leave comments or comment that will give you somewhat an understanding about the situation. You see me? Yeah, maybe accurate, maybe not, but you can do the maths when it comes down to that as well. Alright? Yeah, so I have a left it number paper. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. Entertainment.